Welcome back. Welcome for the first time. Hear ye. Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno, an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you about a telephone call that I received today from a prospective client. Circumstances are that this particular client had recently done some estate planning documents with another attorney and a will, healthcare proxy, power of attorney, a few things. And she signed them in advance of a trip out of state. In May, she came back. Now she wants to make some changes. And she reached out to me to make some changes to her documents because she's having a difficult time getting in touch with that attorney. She said for the last 3 weeks, she's called and this attorney hasn't called her back, or did call her back once, but then they couldn't get together. And so I explained to her that if she wanted me to modify these documents, that's the language, that's the issue there, right? I can't modify anything because those documents rest, well, they're physically produced, right? And they're originals now. But those documents rest in that other attorney's computer. So the other attorney can make a few modifications rather easily. So paragraph 3 that says I want to leave everything to my son can now say I want to leave 75% to my son and 25% to this charity, or whatever the proposed change is. I don't really know what they are. So I advise this woman to, bear with that attorney. Maybe it's a tough couple of weeks. Maybe they're in the middle of a certain project or something that, can get back to her. It's a little rude, but listen, it happens. So that's the approach I have. There's a little bit more I could say. She had another issue. I'll save that story for tomorrow. Part 2 of the prospective client. It has to do with, I'll give it teaser. A number of years ago, she had gotten divorced. And as part of the divorce, the husband was to come off of a deed, and she never got the deed signed. He passed away. What to do? Tomorrow.